Hi, so I'm new at this. This is my first video. This is my first video I'm ever making. I play AJ Play Wild. I'm an Arctic Wolf fan. Just wait and see. Okay, so I'm new at this. I really want to be famous like Pari or Scorm or well, I'm not Joanne too. You guys also subscribe and tell me who do you guys like more, Joanne 2 or Pari? This is really sad. We got a bidder. Let's see, what do you... So they're gonna trade me. Let's see. I really wanna expect the better trade me good, dude. It took me a while. I think I like this one more than the others. Like just regular. Did online dating and stuff. Ooh, let's see. Decline. Okay, that person who said trade me a pet is an idiot. You can't trade pets. It's by Dragon. Totally not fair. You HW. Wants to trade you there for your... Already have it. Okay, I might have to make this video kind of short, but this is my first video. Tell me if I did good and see all those other videos that are online. Those just aren't used. Okay, so...